Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video we're gonna draw this 3D part. So let's go straight to it. First we hit sketch, then front plane and circle. Now we'll define the dimension of the circle, which is 70 in the interior. Okay, 70. Then we'll draw a center line. Alright, draw these two lines. And make them symmetric. Yes. The distance between these two lines, if we start from the interior, is 5. Alright. And now the distance between this point and the center of the circle is 76.25. 76.25. Make this point and this point horizontal. Alright, now we'll trim the interior. Yes. Okay. Select all the sketch, offset entities. Don't forget to remove the center line. Okay. Well, the thickness is 24 minus 5, which is 19. 19 divided by 2, 9.5. Okay. Don't forget to hit caps and end lines. Okay, extrude the boss. We have the depth 32. Alright. Now hit sketch again. Front plane, yes. We'll draw this sketch. Now we'll define dimensions. We have 23 and 76. 23 and 76. Okay. We'll make this point and this point horizontal. We still have to define this dimension, which is 48. Okay. Now we'll select these two lines, offset entities. We have thickness of 13. Alright. Features, extrude the boss. Yes, mid-plane. We have 90 millimeter. Alright. Okay, we hit sketch again now. Front plane also. Make a line from this point to here. And we make this line with the circle tangent. Yes. We'll convert the circle in these two lines. Yes. And draw a line from this point to this point. Okay. Then we will trim entities. Yes. That features, extrude the boss. Mid plane, yes. We have thickness of 16 millimeter. Alright. Then we have these holes. Yes, we hit the surface sketch. We draw a center line first. Yes. Let's define the circle. We have 13 diameter and 16. Okay. 13 and 16 here. Yes. And the distance between these two circles is 58. Okay. Now we will mirror it. Alright. Then extruded cut through all. Yes. Okay. We still have the circle. So first we will make this fillet 16. Let's make it manually. It's better. Alright, 16, yes. Then we hit the surface. Circle. Yes, to get the center. Then we'll define the circle. Diameter of 13. Okay. Extrude cut. through all. Now we only have fillet to draw. We have here 6 millimeter. Okay, 6. Okay, we have 3 millimeter radius. All right, that's it. Then choose this one and connect it to start loop. Yes. All right, I think it's all done. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and see you next.